Hi there, in today's 99-second or less tip, I thought we would discuss the multiple API keys you can get with your Elegant Themes subscription. In my Divi review, 10 reasons why I use Divi 3, the multiple API keys was one of the 10 reasons. Now, if you're considering purchasing a subscription to Divi, I will include the link to my review below, so you can go ahead and check that out. All right, so let's get started. We're going to put the 99-second timer on the screen, and here we go. So the first thing you want to do to access your API keys is you come to your elegantthemes.com website. You log in here, which I've already done. You'll come here to your members area. Under account, you'll see your API key. All right, so this is the key that you're going to use to update Divi. It's also the key you'll use to update all your clients' websites. So if you have multiple clients, you want to have multiple API keys. You want every client to have their own. All right, so you may only have one here on your screen. I have multiple because I have a lot of clients. I build a lot of websites. And here you will come here down here to add new API key. So for every new client website that you're building, you'll want to add your own API key. As of the recording of this video, there's no way here to note which API key goes to which website. So what I recommend you do is just have a text file on your computer where you can list the client name and the API key. And if that client quits paying you or they decide to do it themselves, then you can come on to your members area and deactivate their API key. That way they keep their website. They just don't have access to the Divi updates unless they purchase their own subscription. All right, well, that's the end of the tip. We'll stop the timer. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time.